it's Kristine from Nurse in the Making, and today I'm going to show you how to place your monthly tabs in the Complete Nursing School Planner. If you don't have the Complete Nursing School Planner, I'll put the link to it in the description below. So let's get started. Okay, so the entire tab is a sticker, so you're just going to peel it off and you're going to find that month. So you're going to line up the white rectangle with the edge of the page, and then you're going to fold it in half on the back side of the page. And you're going to stick the sticker together, and then now you can see the month of May easily. Okay, I'm just going to show you one more example for the month of June. I release a new planner every 6 months, so you'll be able to get a version for the year and semester that works for you. Again, you can find the link to this planner in the description below. Happy studying, future nurses!